Hi students, welcome to Sakshi FIIT NEET Academy. In this video session, we are going to learn about a reactivity of Grignard reagent with a ester functional group and a Grignard reagent with a amide functional group. In our recent video, we discussed about a Grignard reagent, common structural features and its preparation methods. As well, we discussed about that is chemical property of a Grignard reagent. That means what about the chemical characteristics of Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent acts as a base as well, a nucleophile. So base with acids, a nucleophile with electrophilic functional groups, So in this way, already we discussed chemical property of, that means a reactivity of Grignard reagent with ketones, reactivity of Grignard reagent with aldehydes, reactivity of Grignard reagent with carboxylic acid. So in this session, we are going to learn about Grignard reagent with amide functional group and Grignard reagent with ester functional group. So here reaction with amides and reaction with ester. First I am taking a Grignard reagent with that is esters. So here what is the general formula of esters? It's a R C double bond O OR. R C double bond O OR. Now here Grignard reagent with ester. So here I am taking a general formula for ester, that is R C double bond O OR. That is treated with the Grignard reagent following a hydrolysis. First we will get a ketone. See here, this is the alkyl group which bonded to the carbon already in a reactant. See this alkyl group which is came from Grignard reagent. I am just differentiating by keeping this R prime. Along with this we will get a alcohol. So again this ketone with a one more mole of Grignard reagent following hydrolysis we will get tertiary alcohol. So simple here, ester with one mole of Grignard reagent we will get a ketone and alcohol. This is both the products we will get in a first step, that is with a 1 mole of Grignard reagent. Again this ketone with a 1 more mole of Grignard reagent we will get a tertiary alcohol. This is a reaction path of this ester with a Grignard reagent. So here I am writing a mechanism. RC double bond O OR which reacts with a Grignard reagent. Here I am taking this R prime. See here, what about the Grignard reagent? Decompose into R minus Mgx plus. So in this complete ester we have a electrophilic carbon. This carbonyl carbon is electrophilic and this is nucleophilic oxygen. That means a basic oxygen, because this carbon bonded to the oxygen and oxygen is more electronegative compared to the carbon. So what about the electron displacement towards oxygen? As well we have a double bond between carbon to oxygen. So that is also one of the factor to decide that carbon is electrophilic in nature. So now this R minus means it acts as a nucleophile. So negative is going to attack a positive carbon. Then these pi electrons are shifted to oxygen. So now here in this next step we are getting R minus Mgx plus, which is neutralized with the O minus. So here OR, and this R group is newly bonded from a Grignard reagent. So now this is on hydrolysis. H plus OH minus. H plus here, OH minus here. So we will get R OH. See here OR R prime plus, that is on removal of OH Mgx. See here Mgx plus OH minus, this which is from the water molecule, that is on hydrolysis. So this byproduct is eliminating. So we are getting this product. Now see here, On same carbon OH and a leaving group is present. If leaving group and a OH present, it undergoes simple elimination. Here H plus OR minus, H plus OR minus, it is become ROH, ROH. So here we got a alcohol in a first step as a byproduct. Now what about another product? Another product is a ketone. Another product is a ketone. So here we got ketone. So now to this ketone, here I am using a 1 more mole of Grignard reagent. 1 more mole of Grignard reagent. Same here, this R minus Mgx plus R minus bonded to carbonyl carbon. Then pi electrons are shifted to the oxygen. Then here we will get R O minus, here R prime, and here R double prime. This is from second Grignard reagent. This is from first Grignard reagent. And what about that Mgx plus neutralizes with the O minus. Now we are doing a hydrolysis, that is H plus OH minus, H plus towards O minus, OH minus towards a Mgx plus. Finally we are getting R C OH and here R prime, R double prime. So along with that we will get a byproduct OH Mgx. So what about this product? This is a tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. So this is the mechanism to get a tertiary alcohol from ester. So ester with a 1 Grignard reagent, that is 1 mole Grignard reagent, we will get a ketone and a alcohol, that is corresponding alcohol, which is bonded to with this carbonyl carbon. Again this ketone with a 1 more mole of Grignard reagent, we are getting a secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. See here, this is a electrophilic carbon. Obviously nucleophilic carbon attack this electrophilic carbon. So here due to the excess of bonds, the pi bond is weak and shifted towards a more electronegative side. Then minus charge accumulate around the oxygen, that is neutralized by Mgx plus. On hydrolysis, this O minus get H plus, Mgx plus get a OH minus. Then we will get a this next step. So here in this next step, this carbon bonded to OH as well leaving group undergoes elimination as a H plus OR minus. H plus OR minus, we are getting a ROH, and another product is a ketone. So same from the ketone, tertiary alcohol, same mechanism. So this is a reaction of Grignard reagent with a ester. Reaction of Grignard reagent with a ester. First we are getting a ketone, then ketone to tertiary alcohol. So here I am taking a 2 to 3 examples, then it's become very easy. So simply here I am taking examples. So this is a methoxy bonded to the carbonyl carbon. This side we have a alkyl chain. With this methyl Grignard reagent is going to treat. So CH3 minus Mgx plus, simple. CH3 minus bonded to here, this is pi electron shifted to the oxygen, then we will get a O minus, here OCH3, and this CH3 is newly bonded with this carbonyl carbon, and O minus is neutralized with a MgCl plus. So this is on hydrolysis, that is H plus is migrating towards a O minus, OH minus is migrating towards a MgCl plus. So finally we are getting a here OH, OCH3, and here we have a CH3. So now leaving group and a H plus, OH and we have a leaving group. This is undergoes elimination, H plus, and here see OCH3 minus, carbon to oxygen bond cleave heterolytically, CH3 minus H plus minus CH3 OH. So here we got a methyl alcohol. So on elimination of this methyl alcohol, we are getting a C double bond O. See here, oxygen, carbon to oxygen formed a double bond, C double bond O, CH3. So to this ketone, so we got ketone here, And what about the alcohol? Alcohol is eliminated here. To this ketone, again I am taking one more mole of methyl Grignard reagent. So here CH3 minus, again attacking a carbon and pi electron shifted to the oxygen. Then here we got O minus MgCl plus, and here the CH3 is newly bonded. So upon hydrolysis, H plus OH minus, we will get simple alcohol. So this is the alcohol we got from this carboxylic acid, that is ester, from this ester. So here hope you understand well. So how we are getting this tertiary alcohol from this ester. Tertiary alcohol from this ester. Shall I take another example? Here I am taking a cyclic ester. So this is a cyclic ester with a methyl Grignard reagent. So same CH3 minus bonded to carbon, pi electron shifted to the oxygen. Then here we got O minus MgCl plus, and here newly bonded CH3 is there. So this is on hydrolysis. We got, here we have oxygen. So now see here, on this carbon we have OH and a leaving group, that is OR, but this R is chain actually, so we need to concentrate on this bond. So here H plus O minus, H plus O minus. So within the molecule we are getting alcohol, simple here. See, this is a double bond, and here methyl group, a double bond, and see, I am writing as it is to avoid confusion. So this is the alcohol within the molecule we got. Alcohol. Here we got a ketone. So to this ketone, on one more mole of Grignard reagent, we will get a alcohol. So here see, CH3, CH2, tertiary alcohol, and that byproduct alcohol is within the molecule. So this is the, so directly I just take this product. So already we discussed ketones as well in just another example, just a recent example. So that's what I am taking direct step from this ketone to tertiary alcohol. So here this is a tertiary alcohol and other alcohol which is as a byproduct. So here hope you understand well, from ester to, that is Grignard reagent with ester giving a ketone as well alcohol, that is tertiary alcohol and a corresponding alcohol in a first step. So now we'll discuss about a Grignard reagent with a amides, that is with a primary amide. So I am taking general formula RC double bond O. Here it's NH2, it's a NH2. Here nothing change. Here we are removing a OR minus. Here leaving group is a NH2 minus. NH2 minus H plus become NH3. Same product. Primary amide to, that is amide to ketone, ketone to tertiary alcohol. Amide to ketone, ketone to tertiary alcohol. So instead OR here we have NH2. Next I am removing this. So here I am taking amide with Grignard reagent RMgX. So before in a ester, here we have a OR, now here we have a NH2. OR is also one of a leaving group and NH2 also leaving group. There is nothing change in the mechanism. There in a ester, that OR is eliminating as ROH. Here in this amide, this NH2 is eliminating as NH3, that is amide. So on hydrolysis, see here amide with a Grignard reagent. Following hydrolysis, we will get a ketone. ketone plus NH3. Again this ketone with one more mole of Grignard reagent, following a hydrolysis, simple same, we will get tertiary alcohol. So here this is with the first Grignard reagent and this is from second Grignard reagent. Same mechanism, nothing change. Instead OR in esters, here we have a NH2. After first mechanism, in first within a Grignard reagent, first Grignard reagent we will get a OH and NH2. So H plus NH2 minus NH3, like NH3 it is going to eliminate. So however here I am writing a mechanism, R C double bond O NH2 with a Grignard reagent, here R Mg X, here R minus Mgx plus R minus bonded to the carbon and carbon and pi electron shifted to the oxygen. Here you will get a R O minus Mgx plus, here NH2 is as it is. This is newly bonded group, carbon group from a Grignard reagent. So this is on hydrolysis, we are getting RCOH, that is NH2 and R prime. Now see here we have OH and a leaving group. This undergoes elimination, H plus NH2 minus. See here oxygen hydrogen bond electrons are shifting here, carbon to nitrogen bond electrons are shifting towards nitrogen, then NH2 minus H plus minus NH3 minus NH3, then we are getting RC double bond O R prime. So this is a ketone functional group we got with one mole of Grignard reagent with a amide. So here I am taking another one more mole of Grignard reagent, then same R minus bonded to carbon and carbon and pi electron shifted to the oxygen, then we will get the intermediate like a RO minus, here R double prime, here prime. So this is from second Grignard reagent. Following hydrolysis we are getting R OH R prime. So this is a tertiary alcohol we got from amide, So hope you understand well. Same mechanism, that is in a ester carboxylic acid amine. In a carboxylic acid we have a OH leaving group, that is OH H plus minus H2O. In ester OR minus H plus ROH. In amides NH2 minus H plus NH3. So this is a mechanism and a reaction path. I am taking some examples, then it's become very easy. So may I remove this? Simply here I am taking that cyclic amide. So NH, so instead NH2, here we have another alkyl group which bonded to this carbon, cyclic amide. It is methyl Grignard reagent. So CH3 minus bonded to carbon and carbon, pi electron shifted to oxygen. So same here we have a NH and other bonded to the O minus MgCl plus. So this is on hydrolysis. We are getting, so here we have NH OH H plus NH minus. We got here we have another methyl group which is bonded from Grignard reagent. So here we have a methyl group. So now see here H plus NH minus, simply double bond, here NH2. So within the molecule that nitrogen eliminated as a amine, primary amine. Before here this is eliminated as a NH3. Here because out of these two bonds we have one alkyl group, that's what this is eliminating as a NH2. So now to this ketone, so we got ketone here. To this ketone we are taking another mole of Grignard reagent. Simple, CH minus directly bonded to this carbon carbon, pi electron shifted to O minus. Here this is newly bonded methyl group, O minus MgCl plus. So remaining groups are as it is, chain is as it is. So on hydrolysis we are getting OH and H2. So this is the compound which we are obtained from this amide. It's very easy. If you getting confusion, you just do practice. So here I am taking another example. So here I am taking a amine, that is with a ethyl Grignard reagent. I am writing direct product because already we discussed the mechanism. So here we are getting a first ketone. The product is a NH3, that is OH MgCl eliminating here. So to this ketone here I am taking methyl Grignard reagent. So we will get a product like this. See here 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, fourth position carbonyl convert into alcohol. This is the previous Grignard reagent fragment. This is newly Grignard reagent fragment from this methyl. So this is a product from this amide. This is the reactivity of Grignard reagent with a amide, and just before we discussed the reactivity of Grignard reagent with that is esters. So in the next video we will learn about reactivity of Grignard reagent with epoxide and reactivity of Grignard reagent with nitrile. So hope you understand well. Subscribe the channel, share, like, comment, and hit the bell icon so that you will get latest video lectures. Thank you.